So the true question is that it is hard to enter to IT who hate IT. So I'm quite a weird question. Basically, I can't find his name, whoever it is. So the question is that a person who hates IT but can he come into IT? To be honest with you, you can't come into IT. If you hate IT, you can't come into IT. If you want to change the career, if you can't find any job, your last option is IT. You can't come into IT. Why? Because you hate IT. Remember one thing: IT have so many sub-fields like programming, database, UI, UX designer, network engineer, network technician, ICT guy. I can't even name so many of them. If you are, for example, if you wanna become a PC repair guy or a PC support technician, if you really can't get the concept understood, you really can't get the information digest, you can't basically get all the fundamental under your head. If you really can't get the fundamental how everything works, of course you can't be a computer technician guy. If you wanna become a PHP web developer, if you really can't get how all this boolean, all this if else statement work, you can't you can't be a PHP engineer. If you wanna be the website administrator, if you can't get understanding how web hosting work, how to manage the web server, you really can't. IT is a field that you need passion. It's not a field like finance. Even you hate finance, you can go into finance. Like a business, if you even hate business, you can go into business. Marketing, if you hate business, even you can go into market or the logistics. I love logistics when I was young, but I hate working in logistics. I had worked as a logistic ambassador. I hold my ear. I never wanna work as a logistic ambassador. Never. I basically, when I start working, I start hating, but I need to put the food on a table. IT is not that kind of field. IT basically demand, can you get the work done or not? Do you know how to configure the IP address of a router? Do you know how to make a simple bloody web app? Do you know how to declare a variable? If you can't get a concept, do you know how to build an algorithm for a database? You can't come into IT. Indeed, you should stay away from IT. Look another field, like go look into what I don't want to say forex. Look into currency exchange field. There's quite a money. Look into photography field. If you become a freelance photographer, a lot of money there. Build your portfolio, do the diploma from New Zealand photography level 6, or look into cooking. Become a chef. Even a lot of money there in the cooking field. They are much better field compared to IT, which IT require creativity and science and patience. And like cooking field, becoming a chef is only require art. Photography is only require art. IT is not much of a creative field. Yeah, when you're building a web app, you need to be creative. But if you hate IT, you can't. IT is a much of a technical. Even you become a genuine IT sales guy, you need to have some concept clear. What is the difference between a hub and a switch? What is the difference between a router and a browser? Most of you people don't know what is browser. Browser is a router with a bridge on it. So what is the difference between RJ11 and RJ45? If you really can't tell on the spot, how the hell you can even work on a simple shop as a sales guy? Stay away from IT. But relax. Try to get in love with IT. IT will not bite you like ow. IT will won't bite you. Relax. Look what the hell you wanna do. I will say go back to your community college, get a 2-year associate degree in computer information system or computer system administration. Or genuine IT. So they will teach you the networking, the programming, every crap they will teach you, and they just figure it out in which crap you find interest. I will say give a second thought on IT. If you hate IT, don't come into IT. If you can basically make your mind, if you can fall in love with IT, or if you feel your heart, IT geeks are real weird. When we saw our router, our hearts start to seduce that we have seen a sexy woman. To be honest with you, whenever I go into a server room, it look like that. Oh no, the feeling, the smell of a server room. Whenever I start doing programming, I really enjoy it. That is called passion. I hope you like the question. Sorry, I hope you like the answer to your dumbass question, by the way. Subscribe to my channel. It's me, Jimmy Geek. Give a second thought. Try to fall in love with IT. First love, sometimes not worth it. Give it a second love, man. You'll like it. No regrets. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.